Yeah, 17, Jamie. Yeah, I'll totally do that. I'll see you later. Bye. Hey, you and I are going to a pajama party, so you should get ready.